Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Jumping now, man!
1, 2, 3, a winner!
Movie! Hi, Helly! What's with the balloon?
She making another run for it?
No. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night.
Aquí recto. ¡Ya hay suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
It's the spot. See it right there in the hood. Right there.
We're fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Mate.
Is he? Don't worry, I got you.
Oh, thank you, kind sir.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
It's on! What? No, it's not. Hey! Your blinker's on!
Good comeback, Cal.
These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man.
No strategy. It's a very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then...
You will have your chance, Guido. You will have your chance. Guido, it's... She's a ship! Atrás dele!
Because I never trusted Axelrod. You're dead wrong, man. It was it.
It's okay, James. We're gonna couple up behind you and slow you down, like I did in that movie. Ramon, you have done it again.
It's like the Sistine Chapel.
Least I could do. After all, gas can is my middle name.
It is?
Not really.
He's right here. Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is... New Orleans for some of that sweet jazz, baby.
What have I got?
And give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my...
Thank you already. My name's Mainan.
Maybe?
Yeah, like...
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot Todoroki! Sneak through that window! Go! Pour it out!
Oh, you got Dave! Now that's what I... Lightning McQueen!
Good job.
Thank you so much for...
When I started Miss Fritter's racing school, and I could help you.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park!
In a lot of years, right? I love this guy.
Thanks, guys. Nice paint.
Nothing without you. Hey, buddy, you're a one-gut-two racer.
Oh, hey, Mr. the King.
Chick Hicks. Soy su amigo el pasado y por siempre campeón de la Copa Pistón, Chick Hicks.
Are we to care for those travelers if there is no road for them to drive on? Luigi?
Not in one piece, that is.
See something that I don't like. I gotta say it. I'm coming.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man!
What happened to you? That song, it flipped the switch.
Race. Lightning McQueen must be killed.
No! It's the hospital! Whoa! Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers. Oh, let's go!
Piston car.
Hey, what? What's going on?
He's got some serious work ahead of him if he wants to get back in this race.
Right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
yes,
ghost
yes.
flames.